In systems of equations, we have word problems. So what do we need in a word problem? First of all, you need to highlight the important information. Second, you need to write them down and then give a variable to each item. Always, whenever we're talking about word problems, we're talking about two items. Maybe furniture, maybe books, maybe t-shirts, maybe jackets, roses, tulips, anything. So we're going to have two equations. One equation could be the number of items, and another equation could be the price. Or you could have two equations with two different offerings. One having 2 shirts and 3 pants, or 2 tulips and 3 roses with a certain amount of money. And the second is going to be a different offer that you are working on. And usually these word problems are in Lebanese lira. Let's look at the first example. A restaurant sells 10 green salads and 4 vegetarian pizzas for 24,000 Lebanese lira. The same restaurant sells 6 green salads and 12 vegetarian pizzas for 48,000 liras. First, part A says, show that this text is modeled by a system of equations. So the first thing we do is we highlight what we have. So I'm going to highlight 10 green salads, and then I'm going to highlight 4 pizzas, 10 green salads, and all of these are for 24,000. Next, I have 6 green salads, and then I have 12 pizzas. And this is the second offer I have, that is for 48,000. So this is how I highlighted the important information that I have. Now I need to write them down. So we're talking about salads and we're talking about pizzas. The first offer is 10 salads, 4 pizzas, and these are paid 24,000. The next offer is 6 salads, 12 pizzas, 48,000. So I need to give a variable to each. So the salad is going to be the x and the pizza is going to be the y. I need to write them down in a system of equations. So I'm going to have two equations. One is 10x plus 4y is equal to 24,000. And one is 6x plus 12y is equal to 48,000. How do I start solving? I start by elimination because I have different numbers here. So I multiply the first equation with a 3 to get a 12y. So 3 times 10x is a 30x, 3 times 4 is a 12y, 3 times 24,000 is 72,000. Now I have a 12y and a 12y. What do? I need to get rid of one of them, so I multiply one of the equations with a negative 1. 30x plus 12y is equal to 72. Negative 6x minus 12y is equal to negative 48. And I start eliminating. 30 minus 6 is 24x. 72 minus 48 is 24,000. And then I divide by 24. X is equal to 1,000. So I have already found my x, which is the salad. Now I need to find the second equation. So I take any one of the equations and I replace the 1,000 into it. So 6x plus 12y is equal to 48. 6 times 1,000 is plus 12y is equal to 48. Take the 6,000 to the other side. 12y is equal to 48 minus 6,000, which is 42,000. Divide by 12, y is equal to 3,500. I go back to my question. I already showed a system of equations on the model. I calculated the price of one salad and one pizza, which is the salad is the x and the pizza is the y. So I rewrite underneath, the salad is 1,000 Lebanese lira and the pizza is 3,500 Lebanese lira. So I have finished up part A and part B. I go back to part C. Nadine orders 8 green salads and 6 vegetarian pizzas. How much will she pay? So I need to calculate 8 salads and 6 pizzas. How do I do that? So if the salad is 1,000 and Nadine needs 8 salads, so I multiply the 1,000 with the 8, I get 8,000 Lebanese lira. And if the pizza is 3,500, I need 6 pizzas, which is Nadine's order, so it's 3,500 times 6, I get 21,000. So the total Nadine paid is the 8,000 and the 21,000, which is equal to 29,000 Lebanese lira. Going back to the example, always you need to underline or highlight the important information, make a detailed copy of your work, and then assign the variable to each and start working with a normal system of equations. Always remember that you're going to have 2 equations. One can deal with the number of items and one with the pricing, or just like the example we had 2 different offers. One was made up of 10 salads and 4 pizzas, and the other was made up of 6 salads and 12 pizzas.